This braided half wig hairstyle turned out so cute, and I did it within 20 minutes, so it was quick and convenient. Let me show you how I did it. The hair that I'm using is an 18-inch Afro Curly Half Wig from CurlyMe Hair, and the wig comes with 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and a drawstring. Lots of security, and I was really impressed with the curl pattern and how soft the hair was, so let's go ahead and get it installed. I start off by styling the front of my hair first, and I just section my hair into 4 sections, starting off with a middle part. And don't mind the current state of my hair. I straightened my hair and I hadn't washed it yet, so literally it's going to be reverting from straight to curly throughout the video. After separating each section, I went in with some moisturizer and some gel, and I applied it to each section because I'm going to be braiding them down all separately. And again, I do have 4 different sections, and I just really like to take my time with this part. And y'all, usually when I do braids, I don't have long nails on, so when I did these, it was a struggle. But it's so much easier when I don't have nails, but I got it done. And for the back, I really didn't do much. I just put my hair in a little bun, and I love when I have a curly wigs or curly half wigs because the texture of the curls and the volume, it hides any bulkiness that's under the wig. So you can really get away with just, you know, doing a bun instead of braiding your whole head down, which makes this such a quick and easy style to do. And the wig does come with 4 clips, so it has 3 clips along the front of the hairline. So I just put those in, and then they have a clip in the back, so I clipped that one in, and then I also used the drawstring to tighten it up around my hair, and the wig felt nice and secure. Another thing I love about this wig is that it has an invisible hairline, so you literally don't have to wear any leave out, and that worked perfectly for me because I hate having to blend my hair with wigs sometimes. So it's so nice to get a break from that and just being able to, you know, leave my hair tucked away. Now I'm just styling the hair, and to do that I'm just using some water and some foam and mousse by the Dew. And the texture of this hair is so pretty. The curls were super bouncy, and I didn't experience any shedding or tangles. Anytime I use hair from CurlyMe, it's always really good quality, so I was super excited to do this install. To finish off the style, I'm just going to be putting the ends of the braids into bantu knots. I think that this adds just a really cute touch to the hairstyle. Then I just slicked the hair down and did my edges and baby hairs, and then we were good to go. here is the final look. Again, I am so in love with this hairstyle. It took me under 20 minutes to do. It's super cute, super easy, and I think this wig is so pretty. The curl pattern is so nice. It's really good quality and it felt nice and secure. I also love the invisible hairline and the fact that I didn't have to leave any hair out. And again, this half wig is from CurlyMe. It's their 18-inch Afro Curly Half Wig. I'll have all of the information for it in my description box, so definitely check that out if you are looking for cute, convenient styles. And that is it for today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.